Hi, in this video, we will see ternary operators in Java. Okay, we can say ternary operators. So what is ternary operators? This operator evaluates a boolean expression. So boolean expression and assign the value based on the result. So if it is true, then it will give me this one is after this question mark. If it is false, it will give me after semicolon, colon. Okay, so this is how you will write. So we'll take one example and we'll see. So let me go to Visual Studio Code. So I have created a class called ternary operator. So to explain this, first you should know if and else conditions. Those are conditional things in Java, but conditional statements. But to demonstrate this, we'll see. So int marks is equals to 50. Okay, I have marks equals to 50. Then I'll compare these marks with if these marks greater than 35. Okay, if these marks are greater than 35, system.out.println say pass. Okay, if the marks are greater than 35, pass. Else, okay, if it is not, then system.out.println fail. Okay, so this is how we'll write, we'll compare these marks. If it is greater than 35, you know, this is what? These are comparison operators. That is comparing 50 greater than 35. Yes, marks already I assigned 50. 50 is greater than 35. Yes, then it is pass. Okay, so let me execute this first. We'll see how it executes. Java ternary operators dot Java. You see pass. Then what I will do, I'll make it 50 to 30. So what happens? 30 is greater than 35? No. Then it will jump into else condition. In the else condition, what is there? Fail. So obviously it will print fail. Fail. So instead of writing these many lines, we can make it only single line. Okay. So let me comment this. Okay. Let me comment this. Now we'll use the ternary operator. So first I'll take string result is equals to, okay, so you need to give the boolean condition. Okay, so I'll not comment this, I need that, right? I'll comment these things. So now marks greater than 35. So this is what I'm doing, like marks greater than 35. I'm doing the same boolean expression. If it is success, what is the string I want to print? Pass. This is else, this colon, then fail, and then close this, terminate. That's all. If and else will become single line. Now system.out.println, I'll print the result. Where is the result? I am storing the result in this result variable. So I'll print the same, I'll use the same thing. Okay, that result I'll print. Now my marks are 30. 30 means 30 greater than 35? No. For this is false. When it is false, it will go and execute this last one after colon. Okay. So let me clear this. Execute. You'll get fail. Okay. Fail. So I'll make the marks as 40. Okay, I'll make the marks 40. Now 40 greater than 35. So obviously it will go this condition. Now it will pass. If it is true, then it will execute this one. If it is false, then it will execute this one in the terminal. So let me execute again. This time it will pass. You see? Pass. That simple it is. Okay, what you need to do? You need to take the boolean expression and you need to mention question mark. This condition means this what you say, like what you have written there, true expression and false expression. Okay, this is true expression. If it is true, this is true expression, it will print. If it is false, it is false expression, it will print. So instead of writing these many lines, you can make it only one line. Okay, so what could be the possible interview questions here also? What are Java operators? Can you tell me what is ternary operator and what is the advantage to use ternary operator? Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.